Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the world of DevOps. Whether you're an IT professional looking to sharpen your skills or just curious about what DevOps actually means, you're in the right place. First off, let's break down what DevOps is. Imagine a seamless collaboration between software developers and IT operations. That's DevOps in a nutshell. It's all about bridging the gap between coding, deployment, and infrastructure management to deliver software faster and more reliably. Okay, so why is DevOps important? In today's fast-paced tech environment, companies need to innovate quickly to stay competitive. DevOps practices like continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD, ensure that code is always in a deployable state. This means fewer bugs, faster updates, and a more resilient infrastructure. Let's talk about some key practices. Continuous integration involves merging code changes into a shared repository several times a day. Automated tests run every time to catch issues early. Continuous delivery goes a step further, automatically deploying those changes to production. When done right, this leads to faster release cycles and happier customers. Another core aspect of DevOps is infrastructure as code, or IAC. Think of it as managing your servers and infrastructure with code instead of manual setups. Tools like Terraform and Ansible make it possible to version control your infrastructure, making deployments more predictable and scalable. Don't forget about monitoring and logging. In DevOps, it's crucial to keep an eye on everything. Tools like Prometheus and LK-Stack help you track performance, detect anomalies, and troubleshoot issues before they escalate. So, how do you get started with DevOps? First, embrace a culture of collaboration. Break down those silos between development and operations teams. Second, start small. Implement CI/CD for one application and learn from the process. Finally, invest in the right tools and training. Platforms like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins are your new best friends. All right, that's a wrap. DevOps is a game changer in the tech world, offering a more efficient, reliable way to develop and deploy software. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.